Fire don't rule over time.
Fire Zone Sound Station for the ladies.
You're wondering if I care about you, or if there's some cause that I should doubt you. Oh, I can see, girl, that you don't know me very well. Oh no, you're so unsure, and you run here and there to ask my feelings. My friends only guess, they can't say really. Don't ask my neighbors, no, no, baby. Don't ask the friends I hang around.
Fire Zone Sound Station for the ladies.
Don't be afraid. Come to me. Don't ask my neighbor. Come to me. Don't be afraid.
Fire don't rule over time.
One month ago today, I was happy as a lark. But now I go for walks, to the movies, maybe to the park. I have a seat on the same old bench to watch the children play. You know, tomorrow is their future, but for me, just another day. They all gather around me. They seem to know my name. We laugh, tell a few jokes, but it still doesn't ease my pain. I know I can't hide from a memory, though day after day I've tried. I keep saying she'll be back, but today again I've lied.
Oh, I see her face everywhere I go, on the street and even at the picture show. Have you seen her? Tell me, have you seen her? Oh, I hear her voice as the cold winds blow in the sweet music on my radio. Have you seen her? Tell me, have you seen her?
Yo, Fire Zone son, boss said.
Why, oh, why did you have to leave and go away? Oh, I've been used to having someone to lean on, and I'm lost, baby, I'm lost.
Have you seen her? Tell me, have you seen her? Seen her?
Fire Zone Sound Station for the ladies.
Sitting by the open fireplace in my favorite dungarees. Played a few bars of a melody and it sounded sweet to me. I thought I'd get up and take a look around, but my feet got in the way. Stumbled to the floor, she was right in the door. I could see her face, but how could it be? She ran away from me. My best friend's gone. I'm so all alone.
Fire Zone Sound
I
Station
tried to
for the ladies.
finish Brandy, I'm so all alone. When are you coming back home? I really miss you, Brandy, missing you every day. Are you coming home to stay? 'Cause I love you, Brandy. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Sipping on a cherry soda pop, building houses made of sand. Like a little child with a fantasy, just a fraction of a man. But I was in love when they put it down on my doorstep in the rain. I could feel the love coming to my heart through my window pane. But how could I know she would just up and go? My best friend gone. I'm so all alone. I really miss you, Brandy. I'm so all alone. When are you coming back home? I really miss you, Brandy. Missing you every day. Are you coming home to stay?
Yo, Fire Zone son, who said?
Today I saw somebody who looked just like
Fire Zone Station.
I saw somebody who looked just like you. She walked like you do. I thought it was you. As she turned the corner, I called out your name. I felt so ashamed. It wasn't you.
Fire Zone rule over time.
Wasn't you?
To the point where we just can't fake it. Ooh, for some ungodly reason, we just won't let it die. I guess neither one of us wants to be the first to say sound station for the ladies.
Because neither one of us wants to be the first to say goodbye.
Hello girl, it's been a while. Guess you'll be glad to know that I've learned how to laugh and smile. Getting over you was slow. They say old lovers can
Fire don't rule over time.
but I never thought I'd really see I'd really see you again. I go crazy when I look in your eyes. I still go crazy. No, my heart just can't hide that old feeling inside, way deep down inside. Oh baby, you know when I look in your eyes I go crazy. You say he satisfies your mind, tells you all of his dreams. I know how much that means to you. I realize that I was blind just when I thought I was old.
Fire Zone sound station for the ladies.
I see your face and it just ain't true. No, it just ain't true. I go crazy when I look in your eyes. I still go crazy. That old flame comes alive. It starts burning inside, way deep down inside. Oh baby, you know when I look in your eyes I go crazy.
I gave my heart and soul to you, girl. Didn't I do it, baby? Didn't I do it, baby? Gave you a love you never knew, girl. Oh, didn't I do it, baby? Didn't I do it, baby? I tried so many times and that's no lie. It seems to make you mad each time I cry. Didn't I blow your mind this time? Didn't I? Didn't I blow your mind this time? Didn't I?
Listen, I thought that heart of yours was true, girl. Now didn't I think it, baby? Didn't I think it, baby? But this time I'm really leaving you, girl. Oh,
Hope you know it, baby. Hope you know it, baby. 10 times or more, yes, I'm on out the door. Get this thing through your head, there'll be no more. was when you were here, and it ain't the one that I've been drinking. For once I feel my head is clear. But early this morning, when I opened my eyes, the all lonesome feeling took me by surprise. I guess you meant more than I realized. The lonely that stays on my mind. The love we had. The lonely that stays on my mind. And pretty girl, I've been remembering the good times that we used to share. My thoughts of you don't have an ending, and memories of you are everywhere. But why should I tell you? It's not your concern. You win some, you lose some. I lost and I learned. It's just that I'm so lonely with no place to turn. And here at the end, I'll find the lonely that stays on my mind. Girl, if you were nearer, if you had a mirror, maybe you could count my tears. And if you were nearer, it would all be clearer. How I wish that you were here.
Fire Zone Sound Station for the ladies.
Yo, Fire Zone son, boss it. Fire Zone rule over time.
There's a spark of magic in your eye. Candyland appears each time you smile. Never thought that fairy tales came true, but they come true when I'm near you. You're a genie in disguise, full of wonder and surprise, and picture like a the one that I've been waiting for forever. And never will my love for you keep growing strong, keep growing strong. If I could, I'd catch a falling star to shine on you so I'll know where you are. Or a rainbow in your favorite shades to show I love you. Thinking of you, write your name across the sky. Anything you ask, I try. 'Cause picture like Hollywood, you're the one that I've been waiting for forever. And never will my love for you keep growing strong, keep growing strong.
Fire Zone Sound Station for the ladies.
Yo, Fire Zone son, boss it. Fire Zone.
I wanna wake up with you. I wanna be there when you open your eyes. you to be the first thing that I see. I wanna wake up with you. I wanna lay by your side. I wanna feel every beat of your heart. And throughout the night, I wanna hold you tight. I wanna wake up with you. All the love inside me has been sleeping, waiting till the right one came along. You can share the love that I've been keeping, baby, and you can put the music to my song. I wanna wake up with you. I wanna reach out and know that you're there. I want you to be the first thing that I see. I wanna wake up with you.
Sound Station for the ladies.
You're a big girl now, no more daddy's little girl. You're a big girl now, no more daddy's little girl.
No more pigtail in your hair, no more silly looks with a childish stare, no more doll for you to play, no more dumbness, anything to say. You're a big girl
No more daddy's little girl. You're a big girl now. No more daddy's little girl.
You can love a girl if you must. You can kiss girl if you must. But you see, day by day, all the realness in your ways. And you're a big girl now.
No more daddy's little girl. You're a big girl now. No more daddy's little girl.
Short and sweet. No sense in dragging on past our needs. Let's don't keep it hanging on. If the fire's out, we should both be gone.
Some people are made for each other. Some people can love one another for life. How about us? Some people can hold it together. Last all kind of weather.
Can we? Now don't you get me wrong,
What you saying to me, baby?
'cause I'm not trying now to end it all.
Let's start something new.
It's just too many lovers' hearts lose their dreams.
We won't lose it. Some people are made for each other. Some people can love one another for life. How about us? Some people can hold it together. Last all kind of weather. How about us? How about us, baby? How about us? How about us, baby? How about us? How about us, baby?
Hovering by my suitcase, trying to find a warm place.
Fire Zone Sound Station for the ladies.
Yo, Fire Zone son, busted.
Hovering by my suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Heavy rain falling, seems I hear your voice calling. It's alright. A rainy night in Georgia, a rainy night in Georgia. It seems like it's raining all over the world.
it's raining all over the world. Neon signs are flashing, taxi cabs and buses passing through the night. A distant moaning of a train seems to play a sad refrain to the night. A rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. Lord, I believe it's raining all over the world.
Fire Zone Sound Station for the ladies.
Fire Zone!
Sound Station for the ladies.
You're alone all the time. Does it ever puzzle you? Have you asked why you seem to fall in love out again? Do you ever really love, or just pretend? Fool yourself. saying stop. Look, listen to your heart, hear what it's saying. Would you really feel this time to sign that you will open up, let it in? There's no shame in sharing love you keep within, so jump on in. Head over heels and fall right in. It's never too late to stop. Look, listen to your heart, hear what it's saying. Stop. Look, listen to your heart, hear what. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, Fire Zone son, Bossed.
I have never been so much in love before. What a difference a true love made in my life. So nice, so right. Loving you gave me something new that I never felt, never dreamed of. Something's changed, though it's not the feeling I had before. Oh, it's much, much more. Love, I never knew that touch could mean so much. What a difference. And when we walk hand in hand, I feel so real. Lovers come and then lovers go. That's what folks say. Don't they know they're not there when you love me? Hold me and say you care. And what we have is much more than they.
Fire Zone Sound Station for the ladies.
up next to mine. Sweet love in the midnight. Good sleep come morning light. No worry about nothing. Just getting good, just getting good, just getting good love. Do it.
station for the ladies.
Now I like you, lady, so fine with your pretty hair. If you don't want me compliment, just dig a little closer. I'm just a man now, don't you fear. I can love you now, don't you hear? Do it again, do it again.
Fire Zone Sound Station for the ladies.
Yo, Fire Zone son, what's it? Okay, so you're heartbroken. You sit around moping, crying. You say you even thinking about dying? Well, before you do anything rash, dig this. Everybody plays the fool sometimes. There's no exception to the rule. Listen, baby, it may be factual, may be cruel. I ain't lying. Everybody plays a fool. Falling in love is such an easy thing to do, and there's no guarantee that the one you love is gonna love you. Oh, loving eyes, they cannot see. A certain person could never be. Love runs deeper than any ocean. It clouds your mind with emotion. Everybody plays the fool sometimes. There's no exception to the rule. Listen, baby, it may be factual, may be cruel. I wanna tell you that everybody plays the fool.
Fire Zone Sound Station for the ladies.
How can you help it when the music starts to play and your ability to swept away. Oh, heaven on earth is all you see. You're out of touch with reality, and now you cry. But when you do, next time around, someone cries for you. Everybody plays the fool sometimes. They use your heart just like a tool. Listen, baby, they never tell you so in school. I won't say it again, and everybody plays the fool.
Fire Zone Sound Station for the ladies.
Alone in a crowd on a bus after work, I'm daydreaming.
Yo, Fire Zone son, what's it?
Alone in a crowd on a bus after work, I'm daydreaming. The guy next to me has his girl on his arm. My arms are empty. How does it feel when the girl that you love says yes, she loves you? It seems unfair when there's love everywhere and yet there's none for you. Some guys have all the love. Some guys have all the pain. Some guys have a little sunshine in their lives. My life is only filled with rain. Oh, someone take on a walk by the lake. Dear Lord, let her be. Someone who's shy, someone who's liable to cry at sad movies. Ooh, I do believe I would die just to look in her eyes and find them filled with need. But she's just a dream, and as real as it seems, I'm not that lucky. You see, some guys have all the love. Some guys have all the pain. Some guys have a little sunshine in their life. My life is only filled with rain. It's just a losing game, but things have got to change. Some girl will give my love a try. With my love, she'd have her over now. Oh well. Some guys have alone in a crowd on a bus out. Some guys have dreaming. Some guys have blue sunshine in their eyes. Oh, my life is only filled with rain. Some guys have how does it feel when you girl that some guys have.
Fire Zone Sound Station for the ladies.